Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. Starting in 2021, shooting all the way through 2023, I'll start promoting my first experimental horror film via the new social media site, untechhit.com. This is simply because they promote freedom of speech and creativity. Where other social media sites ban artists such as myself, untechhit.com does not. Therefore, even the future experimental horror films that I create will be exclusively linked through untechhit.com. We'll have lots of blood, gore, and all the different types of stuff from the 60s, 70s era and genre style for experimental horror films. So do check us out. Alright? Paul Morbid and Morbid Team Entertainment, do subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our videos, join our Morbid Team Entertainment barter buy and sell group, and put a like on the Morbid Team Entertainment page. Again, untechhit.com. Freedom of speech and creativity is what they promote. And so will I. Paul Morbid and Morbid Team Entertainment, thanks a lot, and bye-bye.